Mina no Nihongo Info Lesson 49 Part 1 Vocabulary 1. Ryo Use Jakan o yuku Ryo Uro Yoni Naritai. I want to become better at managing time. Second, Sutomemasu Verb for a company. Watashi wa kaisha ni sutomete imasu. I am working at a company. Third, kakemasu sit on chair. Dozo seki ni okake kudasai. Please go ahead and sit. Fourth, sugoshimasu spend time, pass time. Mainichi oda yake ni sugoshiteimasu. I spend my days peacefully. Fifth, irashaimasu be, go, come, respectful equivalent of imasu, ikimasu and kimasu. Domo sumimasen. Yamada mucho wa irashaimasu ka? Excuse me, is Mr. Yamada present? Sixth, meshi agarimasu. Eat, drink. Respectful equivalent of tabemasu, nomimasu. Dozo enryonaku meshi agatte kudasai. Please don't hesitate, go ahead and eat. 7. Oshaimasu. Say, respectful equivalent of imasu. O namae wa nanto oshaimasu ka? What did you say your name was? 8. Nasaimasu. Do. Respectful equivalent of shimasu. Bucho wa America e shucho o nasaimasu. The department head has gone to America on a business trip. 9. Goran ni narimasu. To see, respectful of mimasu. Yoku eiga o goran ni narimasu ka? Do you often go to see movies? 10. Gozonji desu. No, respectful equivalent of shiteimasu. Nippon no shusho no namae o gozonji desu ka? Do you know the name of Japan's president? 11. Aisatsu. Greeting, address. Donata ga aisatsu o nasaimasu ka? Who is it? Could you please address yourself? 12th, ryokan. Japanese style in. Watashi wa ryokan ni tomatta koto ga arimasu. I have stayed at a Japanese style inn. Grammar point 1. Keigo. Honorific expressions. Honorific expressions are used to show respect to the listener or to the person being referred to. Whether or not to use them is determined by who the listener or person referred to is and the situation. Basically, they are used in situations such as ichi, when talking someone of higher status than oneself, someone one does not know, or someone who one is not familiar to. Second, when someone about someone of higher status than oneself. And third, when talking in a formal situation. One type of keigo is son keigo, respectful expressions, introduced in lesson 49, and another is kenjo go, humble expressions, introduced in lesson 50. Grammar point 2. Son keigo. Respectful expressions. Respectful expressions show respect toward the person performing the action or in the state mentioned. First, verbs. These show respect toward the person performing the action indicated by the verb. First, respectful verb take the same form as passive verb and are conjugated as group second verbs. Example: kakaremasu, kakareru, kakarenai. 書かれて、中村さんは7時に来られます。will come at 7 o'clock. Miss Nakamura is coming at 7 o'clock. Example 2. お酒をやめれたんですか? Have you stopped drinking? It will be verb mas narimas. This form is generally considered be more polite than the respectful verb introduced in Group 1, Group 3 verbs and verbs whose mas form consists of one syllable such as me mas and me mas do not have this form. If a verb has a respectful equivalent such as those featured in third below, this is used. 社長はもうお帰りになりました。The company president has already returned home. Third, special respectful verbs. Several verbs have several special respectful equivalents, which shows a level of respect similar to second. Bato sensei wa kenkyūshitsu ni irasshaimasu. Professor Bato is in his office. Dozo meshiyagatte kudasai. Please go ahead. No. Irashaimasu dictionary form irasharu. Nasaimasu dictionary form nasaru. Kudasaimasu dictionary form kudasaru. And oshaimasu dictionary form osharu are group 1 verbs and care must be taken over their conjugation. Example: osharu, isharu, ishaimasu, ishairanai, ishanatta, isharanakatta.